Guys, today ChatGPT is doing my makeup. How do you think this will go? I'm not sure, but let's figure it out. Let's go. I'm pretty scared of this video. Look at my face. It's not looking good today, but that's not matter. Let's see how it goes. Let's see what ChatGPT is saying that I should do. I need to put my glasses on because I don't see anything without them. But let's ask ChatGPT what should we be doing today. I'm just asking ChatGPT what the best makeup routine is, and this is what it's saying. I'm going to put it over here for you, but I'm going to read it from the computer, and it basically says, start with a clean and moisturized face to provide a smooth canvas for your makeup application. Okay, let's do that. Oh gosh. My skin is not vibing with my good vibes. Oh, it's not showing, but it says good vibes. Let's put some moisturizer. Oh, I like this. I honestly always put moisturizer in sunscreen because I really care about my skin. I don't want to be full of wrinkles before it needs to happen, so hopefully this one will help. So I'm trying to do my best to keep my skin always protected from the sun. Anyway, let's see what's next. Okay, so step number 2 will be to apply a primer. I have the Milk primer. It really works really well, so let's try this one. For now, looks like ChatGPT knows what it's doing. Let's apply a little bit everywhere. I even like applying it on my eyes. Just because I feel that the makeup lasts much longer when I put it over there, but everybody does it in different ways, and that's okay. Makeup will be fun. Makeup should be, you should be using it as you wish, and it will be completely fine. So anyway, let's see what's the next step. It's funny because it says step number 3, use a foundation that matches your color skin. How many times I have gone to the store and I have gotten the wrong foundation and I look orange or yellow or I don't know. So yeah, that's extremely important. I have this one from Ux. It's called Luminous Glow. It actually is pretty cheap, but it works really good, and I like the applicator. It's just like, you know, can you see it? It's different, and I actually like it. Let's do like that, and let's paint this face. It's not really telling me how should I be applying it. I normally like to use this brush just to kind of like go through it, but I feel that my face looks much better when I use my actual fingers, so I will be using my fingers. It doesn't really tell you how you should be applying it, so I can do what I want, isn't it? As I'm doing, yes, all this looking at the camera. I'm not using a mirror, so I might look a bit crazy at the end of the video, but hey, it's just to get the point. Voila, that's what I could do. Hope you like it. Number 4, it says to apply concealer to cover any dark cycles. I like that. Well done. And it's actually funny because ChatGPT is telling me to use concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than my foundation, which is true. I think, and I like something that looks much clearer than my foundation. It makes my eyes to look brighter, and I love that feeling. I love this one from Turte. I try to use cheap products and expensive products, mix them a lot, but I feel like Tarte is the concealer that best works for me. I don't know if you guys have tried, but honestly, it's amazing. It's not telling me how I should be applying it, so I will do it as I normally do it. This ChatGPT, I think we need to ask ChatGPT more questions. Because I was going to put it over here, but it's not telling me to do that, so not for me. So I go with a beauty blender, and that's how I normally do it. Blend, 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 blend. Honestly, I don't even know what I am looking at because I cannot really see what I'm doing right now. It's so difficult when you are doing it on camera. Oh my. And this pink light that is going on here, no, it's going on, so it's not working. Anyway, I think it's blend. Let's see what ChatGPT thinks I should be doing next. Let's go. Oh, I like this step. Set your foundation and concealer with translucent powder. I have this one from Revolution. I have actually been using it a lot and I like it. The point is, it's not telling me how should I set my face. It says set your concealer. So let's go. I might be looking a bit crazy, but I don't care. And put a little bit over here. A little bit over here because it's what I go more oily. It's not telling me where to put it, so I apply it wherever I want. Over here, because I normally go oily, and over here as well. Okay, I'm going white. Do you guys think this is what ChatGPT was wanting me to do? I hope it is. And voila, this is how I look. What do you guys think? This is honestly not how I do my makeup routine, but this is how ChatGPT is wanting me to do it, which I think is good as well. It's not a bad way, but let's see what ChatGPT has for us. Next, apply bronzer, blush, and highlight. You go, girl, and I haven't done my eyes, but it says to do that, so we're doing that. Let's go. So let's start with bronzer. I actually have this bronzer from NARS that I love. Love. It gives you such a natural look. It's like Kiss by the Sun. And it says first bronzer, so bronzer will be. Guys, how do you guys do your makeup? Just comment below. I actually want to know what steps you guys normally take, and if you guys do any of that. Maybe you guys agree with ChatGPT. Let me know if you guys do. Apparently, honestly, I don't think it's needed always to wear contour. I don't think contour is always needed whatsoever. Many days when I go to just work, I don't apply any contour, and that's fine. Like, you don't need to be every single day snatched. But obviously sometimes when you go for the dinner, weekends, friends, you want to look a bit better. Not sure if there is any difference on camera. Guys, I don't know if I'm going crazy or not, because I don't distinguish anything on camera, so you guys will have to let me know if I look like a clown at the end of this video. So, we have done bronzer, and now we need to apply blush. Okay. Guys, I have this one from Revolution. It's the super dewy one. I love it. I'm sorry. It's so pigmented. I love it. I know that there are many other products that are quite good over there on the market, but you are making me look bad. I tell you, this is so pigmented. So, ooh la la, can you guys see it? I just love this. Revolution, I think, is stepping up the game. Lately, they have been coming up with a lot of things. So don't forget to check Revolution. And let me know what you guys think on that. Have you guys ever tried any of Revolution's products? And if so, please comment below. Let me know which one is your favorite, and I will be reviewing it in the upcoming videos. Apparently, I'm missing a little bit of highlighter, so let's go. This is so pigmented. Ooh, can you see that? Ooh la la. I haven't been able to actually do any contouring, so I'm going to be cheeky and do something. I'm going to take a bronzer that I have over here and just go through my nose a little bit. Over here and over here. I guess that will have to be, isn't it? Because apparently ChatGPT thinks or reckons that this is the best way to go. So let's do this. Let's see what's next. It's telling me to fill up my brows with a pencil. Well, this is not something I normally do, so I'm going to be doing this step. I'm sorry if I disappoint you. I just like to get a little bit of a styling soap and do my brows, so that's what I'm going to be doing it. I really don't like to color them. I don't know why. I have tried. I don't think it suits me. I'm pretty happy with my natural eyebrows. I have tinted it before. I just don't like it. I'm so sorry, but I don't like it. I actually do have something that I could use. I'm going to be using the Essence Make Me Brow. I don't like it. I really dislike it. I bought this one just to try it and review it in one of my videos. I simply dislike it so much. It's not my thing, but for the sake of this video and ChatGPT, I will do it. I don't know why, but I think their eyebrows look much more beautiful when they're natural. But that's just me. You know, everybody knows their own faces. They know how everything looks. And you feel better with some things instead of others. So that's fun. Because makeup should be fine. Makeup is not like you need to do it like this, and that. It's whatever you feel more comfortable with and happier with. So that's fine. I'm going to leave it here like that because I don't like it. ChatGPT, you have made me groan. Next, it says to apply eyeshadow next, and I'm so excited because I love this. So let's go. Guys, I need to show you this palette. I have been using a lot of palettes lately, and I honestly adore this one. I just wanted to review it not long ago, and honestly, I'm so in love with it. Let's do this. I'm back, guys. I did my best here. Let's see what else ChatGPT has for us. Guys, it says to finish with the lip color that complements me. It says nothing about a lip liner. Should I cheat? No, I'm not cheating. I'm going to do what it says and I will find a lip color that I like. I'm going strong with the pink because why not? I love this one, honestly. But I have never tried without lip liner. I really love how the lips look with lip liner, but that's okay. My little lips today doesn't have love. It doesn't look bad. I'm just... Oh, should I cheat? So let's cheat, guys. Oh, a little bit. Let me cheat a little bit. Let me cheat for a little bit. Yes, a tiny bit. I did my best on camera. Oh my gosh. Obviously, this is not how I normally do it, but ChatGPT reckons it's the best way, so this is how it goes today. You know what? Those are all the steps, and it's not saying anything about using a setting spray or anything like that. Let's ask if we should use one. Guys, it says that it could be beneficial, so I'm taking it as a yes. Let's go. Voila, this is the final look, guys. What do you guys think? I don't dislike it. This is not how I normally do it. It's not really far away from what I do either. Obviously, I will overnight my lips. I will use a few other steps. And I normally start with my eyes. I really like that. But hey, makeup, as I said, it's fun. You use it as you want. And ChatGPT reckons this is the best way. So who am I to tell that this is not the way? No one. Guys, I have really enjoyed this video, and if you have done it too, please click subscribe, leave a comment, click like, and I will see you next time. Thank you for your support. Bye bye.
I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'm